Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, so that way you don't miss a video. Make sure to hit the notification bell. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, let's get straight into this conspiracy palette review. Y'all already know I love this palette. So the conspiracy palette is still one of my favorites, one of my unique palettes. So I wanted to do something unique with this look. So that's what we're doing today. I hope that y'all love it, and I promise y'all will. So here I'm just setting my eye with a white after using Jeffree Star Concealer as a base. I'm just using a white shade, and then we're going straight in with some NOTIFCATIONS. And this shade is so beautiful. Honestly, all these shades are gorgeous in every single way. Like, I feel like everybody has their palettes, their go-to palettes, and for me, like, they're always my palettes that I just don't see many people play with because of the unique shades, but that's actually what like calls me to them. So yeah, if y'all like the unique looks that I do, please make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and if y'all have any color suggestions or shades suggestions, please let me know as well. So here, NOTIFCATIONS all over my lid, making sure to really pack that all over that lid, and then we're gonna use What's the Tea to blend it out. Now I'm not gonna lie, first putting these eyeshadows together, I was honestly like, is it gonna look good? Is it gonna look different? Like, is it gonna even blend together, you know, just because the blue and the red, they're just so opposite that I really didn't see how it would blend, but I just went for it. And by the way, I'm just obsessed with the look overall at the end, so just wait for the end. I promise it'll be worth it. So yeah, just blending that NOTIFCATIONS out with What's the Tea. Will you still be here? So it's not gonna be really hard. We're gonna have to work at this every day, but I wanna do that because I want you. I want all of you forever. And now going to be going in with food videos just to blend that out further, which also this shade I was kind of about going in and adding that to the eye, but honestly, you guys, I always say this, like, jump out of your box and step out of your square and just try something new. You never know if you'll end up liking it, and I did end up more than liking it. I love it so much. Honestly, colors I wouldn't put together, but I did, and I really do like it, and I'm happy that I did. So yeah. So here I'm just taking my Q-tip and just cutting my crease with that, and then just going to further cut my crease with concealer. I could change, I really hope you don't walk away. So after this, it's pretty visually explanatory, you guys. I go in with food videos, basically the same shades. Food videos, what's the tea, and not a fact. So I'll get back to y'all at the end of the video. Shade that I was really wanting to use was Trisha, just because it's so blinding and it's so beautiful, and it's Trisha. Will you still be here? Na 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 na. Will you still be here? So since I don't have liners, you guys, y'all already know I love to use my paint as my liners, and it honestly does the trick. So I went in with that light blue and used that as a liner. And here I'm just using food videos all under my eye, and then I'm gonna use what's the tea at the end of both of those shades. What if I told you I couldn't stay? And here I wanted to do something really fun, so I went ahead and added my lip gloss, and then I added Trisha, the shade Trisha, on my lips because I wanted to see how that would look. And honestly, I love it. If you don't have lipsticks, like I don't have lipsticks, work with what you got. At the end of the day, you can work with whatever you got. That's why I said paint for liner, eyeshadow for lipsticks. Like, you be creative. You let me know what you come up with in the comments. But yeah, here I'm just dusting off all that baking because you know I love a good contour. And yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all recreate it, please tag me. Show some love in the like and comment section, and I'll see y'all Saturday. Bye, Foxies.